Saikiran.
Hi ma'am, how are you ma'am?
I'm good, Saikiran. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ma'am.
Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department, Saikiran. So ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ feedback interview ಬೇಕಿದೆ. So we'll start.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, ನಿಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ Saikiran. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್.
My name is Saikiran. I'm from Kalburgi. Presently, I'm staying in Bangalore. I've completed my BE Civil from Puja Dodapapa College of Engineering. After completion of my engineering, I have joined a construction company and I worked for 6 months in construction company. Later, through my friends, I got to know about interiors and how important interiors is and what is the growth of interiors in upcoming years. So I thought of joining some interiors institute and get some basics and then go into the field. So on behalf of that, I joined interior.
Okay, fine. So how did you get to know about IDMTI?
Few of my friends, namely Anand Pasa ma'am, is my classmate in my college. So he's actually he was trained in interiors ma'am in IDMT Institute. So he got a place. So through him, I came to know about IDMT Institute. And even before joining, two of my friends called Sumed and Yogesh also joined the course ma'am. So through them, I got to know more about the interiors and the importance of it. So I thought of quitting that job and joining the institute.
Okay, so what and all you learned in your interiors training?
Ma'am, in the course we were taught the complete basics of interiors and interior fit outs, interior design standards, materials, and also few site visits ma'am, and design experience centers, and also the factories of VPC, VKD, and Stout.
Okay, so how was your site training in interior, Saikiran? So have you visited the interior site visits and all?
Yeah, ma'am. One site was of Homeland Interiors, ma'am, and the other was from Stout Interiors. The alumni of IDMT were present at the site, ma'am, so they taught us very well, ma'am, about the interiors at the site.
Okay, okay, fine. So what about your trainers and all, Saikiran? It may be Abhinav sir, Gandhi sir, Anand sir,
Yes, ma'am.
Andu sir. How was their training in interiors and how effective was to you?
Actually, instead of calling them trainers, we could call us with real fact trainers, ma'am, because they taught us the real field problems, ma'am, like what are the problems we face on interiors and how should we face them, how should we overcome them. That was very helpful, ma'am. And even during our site visits, we were exposed to various challenges, ma'am. So that was very helpful, and the classes were very beneficial, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I hope you're happy with your placements.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Very happy, ma'am.
Yeah. So coming to your confidence level, Saikiran, before joining IDMTI and after joining IDMTI. So any changes in that?
Very much, ma'am. Lot of changes, ma'am. See, after my graduation, see, directly going to the field was very tough job, ma'am, with low of confidence, because the college has no campus for us. So after joining IDMT Institute, we gained a lot of knowledge, and see, after once we get the knowledge, we'll get the confidence. And even Ashok sir and Deepa ma'am, special mention of Deepa ma'am and Ashok sir, because they'll boost like anything, ma'am, and that's what, ma'am. After completion, of course, my confidence level is too good, ma'am.
Okay. So then how was Ashok sir career guidance, interview guidance? Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, ma'am. Ashok sir showed us the path, ma'am, how to join the industry, how to face the problems in the industry, what are the problems we face in the industry. So that was very helpful.
Okay. Okay, Saikiran. So coming to CMTI app, how was that?
All the classes were scheduled for us in offline, ma'am, but something, if there was doubt, the lectures were clearing that. And when we talk about the classes, online classes, we could have become more perfect, man, after watching the videos. So that was very helpful. I watched the cut list videos and also complete interiors, ma'am. The app provides us the complete interior information, which is even helpful in near future, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then what about CMTI apps and all? How was their coordination?
Very much good, ma'am. Both teaching and non-teaching stuff, ma'am. Especially you, ma'am, and even Monica, ma'am. A special mention to you both, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Okay, Saikiran. Yeah, see, how did CMTI help you while getting the company exposure? So you are like, see, for fresher, na, they won't have a knowledge of a company, like
Yes.
90%. So how did CMTI help you to have a company knowledge?
During our course, we were exposed to many companies, ma'am. Uh,
So you
Knowledge about
used to see the website of the companies and
yeah,
you
ma'am.
used to
Yeah,
connect it.
yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Through
yeah.
LinkedIn and Indeed apps, we should know about the
Okay.
company, how they hire, what are all their expectations, their requirements, so how to face
Okay.
them. Yeah,
So now you are having an idea about the companies and all.
yeah, ma'am. Complete idea.
Okay, Saikiran. Yeah. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Saikiran?
Overall, those who have interest in interiors and want to build a career in interiors, they can join the IDMT course, ma'am. That's all I want to say. And I would like to ask my juniors who want to build a career, because in civil field works are very much tough, ma'am. So interiors will give us the bright future and knowledge to ma'am through this course.
Thank you, Saikiran. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much for your feedback. All the best for your career. And once again, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
Thank you, Saikiran.
Thanks a lot.